Hi, I'm Chef Jen Gomez, and today I'm going to show you how to peel garlic. You take a paring knife and your garlic, and then start peeling away the skin and break it all up. You want to sort through all the cloves and the paper. Then you're going to take a clove, and there's a little end. Want to just cut that off with your paring knife, then start peeling. If the skin is a little hard to get off, you can take a larger knife, put the clove on the cutting board, and just give it a little tap. If the skin is really sticky on the clove, that means the garlic is really fresh. If you have a lot of garlic to peel, here's a really fun trick. So take your cloves, put them in a bowl. Make sure it's a stainless steel bowl. You don't want to use glass. Put them all in there. Take your empty bowl, place it on top, hold the sides really tight, give it a good shake. Take the top off. It's a great way to peel a lot of garlic. Garlic is great in flavor, but it's also good for you. One study found that garlic supplements can reduce the number of colds a person caught by 63% and how long they last. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you now have all the skills you need to get the immune system boosting benefits of garlic.